everyone, this is Shafiuddin Muhammad. Today we try to discuss about how we can change the column names. So basically, sometimes you might get a requirement that you need to change the column names in an entity list. So basically, I see in Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, we have a by defaultly we can go in metadata, we can change the display name of the field. For example, I have a main phone number. Okay. So this is the my field. So if you want to change this field, so you can go in Dataverse and from there you can change the data, that name. But what will happen? So wherever, for example, this field was using by multiple places, then it will be impacted to everywhere. So to avoid this, to avoid such type of impact, what we need to do? So there is a low code, no code concept, which is the old concept, but still no one, only few of them know. So that's the reason I thought an intention to bring this hidden feature, gem feature to for front forward. So now let's see, without wasting of time, let's see how we can change any column names of the entity list without writing a single line of the code and completely out of box, low code, no code. Okay, so let me show you. See, this is my Power Pages site. So as you can see on the screen, this is my Power Pages site. So my site is site one. So here you can know. So here you can see Power Pages management. Okay. So I'm going to Power Pages management. So here, basically in this here, I'm showing account entity list. So here I'll show you. So if you see here, this is the account entity list, right? So basically this is the view, entity list view I'm showing here. So as you can see, all accounts view I'm showing in this page. Okay, in this selected page. So now my requirement is I need to change main phone number. Okay, main phone number to like a only like a main phone number to something like a mobile number. Okay, they requested me to change the mobile number. Okay, so only that change will be restricted to this particular entity list. So here simply I have opened this Power Pages management entity list of this respective account entity, and as you can see on the screen, there are multiple tabs are there. So you can see on the screen general, map view, calendar view, OData, feed, operations. Like this, we options, we have a multiple fields. So now the main tab is for this particular requirement is options. Okay, so underneath of the option, if you see here, there is already custom JavaScript folder is there. So here underneath of this, we have a grid configuration, and underneath of this, you can see here there is a override columns are there. Okay, override columns are there. So here if you see, there is a column name, column is there. Okay, plus column icon you are able to see. So click on that plus column icon, and here you are able to see whatever the fields are there. Basically you are able to see here with the schema name. Okay, what is the scheme? This whatever the mobile number is, mobile phone is there, right? Backend that phone, main phone schema name is telephone. Okay, telephone address, telephone one. So this is the telephone one is the backend name, but display name is this one. What is mobile phone number is the display name. Now I want to change it to a different name. So what I need to give, so as you can simply see here, I'm giving here tell. Okay, tele. I don't want to tele. Okay, tele, tele number. Okay, I'm simply giving here tele number. So we have here an option to fix some width also. You can give width also. But as of now, I don't want to show this and don't want to give any width. So that's the reason. Simply I'm giving it as a display name as a tele number and clicking on the save button. So as you can see on the screen, now I have clicked on the save button. Now I'm moving towards the Power Pages management, as you can see on the screen. So here, let me open this maker dot, and from here, what I'll do it, I will sync the portal. So as you can see, as you can see on the as in Power Pages, see whatever you are doing, it might take some time to reflect the changes. So whatever the development you have did, it might be taking like a forcefully coming to here, it will take 5 minutes like this. So but if you want to like immediately, those changes should be really respective changes should be display in your screen, right? So there is a clear cache one is there, and sync configuration is there. Okay, simply you can clear on the sync configuration, and after that go to this your browser, and you can see here there are here as of now main phone number only, right? Okay, now what I can do here, I'm doing here it as a refreshment. You can see on the Control Shift R is the shortcut key for to refresh the screen. As you can see on the screen, see, within the ones refresh, I'm able to see tele number. So basically, earlier it was a mobile phone, but now the text has been changed to tele number, and that respective change is impacted to only this particular entity list. Okay, so but nothing it has been changed. So this is the a complete low code, no code future. We don't need to write any jQuery, and we don't need to do any. They don't need to disturb any others related work. That's it for the today. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.